How to troubleshoot issues with Ticketmaster. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To troubleshoot issues with the Ticketmaster, first and foremost, open up your phone settings. Scroll down until you see the option of apps. Then click on the All Apps option. Tap on the search icon to search for Ticketmaster. Starting off, tap on the Force Stop button to clear up any of the glitch or the bug issue. After which, click on Storage and Cache, then tap on the Clear Cache option. Once you do this, head back and navigate to System Update, in which you need to make sure that your device is up to date so that it can support the latest version of your Ticketmaster or any other application. After which, in your Play Store or App Store, you can search for your Ticketmaster and see if your application is undergoing an update. If it's so, you don't need to panic, just wait for a couple of minutes, then launch your application once again. This is because when your app is undergoing an update, it will simply not launch or work. The last resort is to check for the Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, that might be the reason why you are facing such issue. In that case, you can switch into a better network or cellular data. And that is all for how to troubleshoot issues with Ticketmaster. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.